Hi, I'm Veronica from UXPressia, and in this series of videos, I'm going to show you how to create a persona from scratch in UXPressia's Persona tool. But before we do that, let's cover some basics. So what is a persona? Personas are fictional characters that represent the different customer or user types that act in a similar way when using your product or service. There can be different criteria for grouping customers into personas, but the most common are demographics and behavior. To group your customers based on the demographics, you can use the following questions. Who are your customers? What's their age and gender? Where do they live? How much do they earn? This approach works best when you need to choose the right target audience to launch an advertising campaign. Also, it helps you to find the right person to represent your brand. And you already know who to contact for additional research and interviews. Another popular approach is grouping customers based on their behavior. To do so, use these questions. What do your customers want? Why are they doing particular things? What motivates them? What frustrates them? Behavior-based personas are much more beneficial in most cases. Such personas give you valuable insights into how to improve your customer experience and your product or service in general. Use this information to decide on the approach and start collecting the data. And in our next videos, I'll show you how to actually build a persona in UXPressia.